Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Expert Academy. I am Theodore, your English teacher, and I am so happy to see you here today. How are you doing? I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, we have a very special lesson about daily life. I am going to tell you all about my routine as a teacher. To help you learn, we are going to use the shadowing technique. This means I will speak very slowly and very clearly for you. I will repeat every phrase several times so you can understand everything perfectly. After I speak, you must repeat the words exactly like I do. This is a great way to practice your pronunciation and feel more confident when you speak English. We will start with my morning routine, then talk about my work at the school, and finally look at how I relax at home in the evening. This lesson is perfect for beginners at the A1 and A2 levels. It is simple, fun, and very effective. Are you ready to start shadowing with me? Let's go! I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. This is the very first thing I do. It means I stop sleeping and open my eyes to start a new day. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Great! Here is the next one. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. This means I stand up and leave my warm blankets. Stretching helps my body feel awake and ready. Now it's your turn. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. Excellent. Let's continue. I take a warm shower to feel fresh. I take a warm shower to feel fresh. I use water and soap to wash my body. It is a very relaxing way to begin the day before work. Repeat out loud. I take a warm shower to feel fresh. I take a warm shower to feel fresh. You are doing great. Next sentence. I eat a healthy breakfast in the kitchen. I eat a healthy breakfast in the kitchen. Breakfast is my first meal. I usually have bread and fruit because they give me energy to teach. Try it with me. I eat a healthy breakfast in the kitchen. I eat a healthy breakfast in the kitchen. Perfect. Here is the fifth one. I drink a hot cup of coffee. I drink a hot cup of coffee. Many teachers love coffee. It helps me focus and feel very happy in the morning. Your turn to speak. I drink a hot cup of coffee. I drink a hot cup of coffee. Wonderful. 2 more for the morning routine. I put on my clothes and brush my hair. I put on my clothes and brush my hair. This means I get dressed. I choose a nice shirt so I look professional for my English students. Now you repeat. I put on my clothes and brush my hair. I put on my clothes and brush my hair. Very good. And the last one for this part. I grab my bag and leave my house. I grab my bag and leave my house. This is the moment I walk out the door. I am now ready to go to the school and start work. Repeat after me. I grab my bag and leave my house. I grab my bag and leave my house. Fantastic job. I arrive at the school at 8:30. I arrive at the school at 8:30. This means I reach my workplace. I am on time and ready to see my students. Repeat after me. I arrive at the school at 8:30. I arrive at the school at 8:30. Great! Let's keep going. I say hello to my students with a smile. I say hello to my students with a smile. Greeting people is very important. It makes the classroom a happy and friendly place to learn. Now it's your turn. I say hello to my students with a smile. I say hello to my students with a smile. Perfect. Next one. I write the lesson on the whiteboard. I write the lesson on the whiteboard. The whiteboard is the big board at the front of the class. I use it to show new words and grammar. Repeat out loud. I write the lesson on the whiteboard. I write the lesson on the whiteboard. You are doing a wonderful job. I explain the grammar rules clearly. I explain the grammar rules clearly. This means I help my students understand how the English language works. I speak slowly so everyone understands. Try it with me. I explain the grammar rules clearly. I explain the grammar rules clearly. Excellent. Here is the next sentence. We practice speaking English together. We practice speaking English together. In my class, we don't just read, we talk. This helps my students get better at communicating. Your turn to speak. We practice speaking English together. We practice speaking English together. Very good. Just 2 more for work. I check the students' homework during the break. I check the students' homework during the break. When the students are resting, I look at their exercises to see if they are learning correctly. Now you repeat. I check the students' homework during the break. I check the students' homework during the break. Fantastic. And the last one for the workday. I finish my last class at 4 o'clock. I finish my last class at 4 o'clock. This is the end of my teaching day. I say goodbye to everyone and prepare to go home. Repeat after me. I finish my last class at 4 o'clock. I finish my last class at 4 o'clock. Wonderful work. I walk back home and feel very relaxed. I walk back home and feel very relaxed. This means I am going back to my house. The work is finished and I feel calm and happy. Repeat after me. I walk back home and feel very relaxed. I walk back home and feel very relaxed. Great. Let's see what happens next. I take off my shoes at the door. I take off my shoes at the door. This is a common habit. It helps to keep the house clean and makes my feet feel comfortable. Now it's your turn. I take off my shoes at the door. I take off my shoes at the door. Perfect. You're doing a great job. I cook a simple dinner in the evening. I cook a simple dinner in the evening. In the evening, I make food like pasta or a salad. It is easy to make and very delicious. Repeat out loud. I cook a simple dinner in the evening. I cook a simple dinner in the evening. Excellent. Next sentence. I watch a movie or read a book. I watch a movie or read a book. This is how I spend my free time. It helps me rest my mind after a long day of teaching. Try it with me. I watch a movie or read a book. I watch a movie or read a book. Wonderful. We have 3 more. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I choose what I will wear tomorrow morning. This saves time, so I am not in a hurry. Your turn to speak. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I prepare my clothes for the next day. Very good. Here is the next one. I set my alarm for 7 o'clock. I set my alarm for 7 o'clock. I use my phone to make sure I wake up on time. It is important to be ready for my students. Now you repeat. I set my alarm for 7 o'clock. I set my alarm for 7 o'clock. Fantastic. And the very last sentence. I go to sleep and have sweet dreams. I go to sleep and have sweet dreams. This is the end of my day. I close my eyes and rest so I have energy for tomorrow. Repeat after me. I go to sleep and have sweet dreams. I go to sleep and have sweet dreams. Wonderful work. You completed the shadowing practice. That is the end of our lesson for today. You did an amazing job with the shadowing technique. Remember, practicing your speaking is the best way to become fluent in English. If some sentences were difficult, do not worry. You can watch this video again and practice one more time. The more you repeat, the better you will sound. Before you go, I have a small task for you. Tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up every morning? I would love to read your answers. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to English Expert Academy so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you so much for studying with me today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.